And now it's time for another Cendrowski Business Minute. With us today is John Alfonsi. So John, I've got a lot of intellectual property in my firm. Now, I have my intellectual property all protected. I have it set up in a separate entity, but how do we place a value on this intellectual property?
Well, in the accounting world, Dave, the bottom line answer, it depends. So if it's income producing IP, meaning it's either being licensed to somebody or it's used in a product that generates revenue, the value of that IP, like any other sort of a business asset, is going to be the present value of the future cash flows that that IP is going to otherwise generate. So you need to otherwise get your arms around what that IP is, the revenues that can generate, and figure out what either those future royalties are going to be or the cash flow from the sale of those products. If it's non-income producing IP, say it's used in your operations, but it's not otherwise related to a particular product, but it's used as part of your process, a lot of times the value of that IP is going to be its reproduction cost, or how much would it cost me to reproduce what I otherwise have. If it's protected via a patent, that's one way that we always look at it in patent type cases, is the value or the amount of the damages shouldn't be any more than what it would cost to work around that patent or that IP. So cost of reproduction or replacement is something that we always look at.
All right, John, so if people have questions about the value of their intellectual property, how do they get in touch with you?
They can reach us at our toll-free number, 866-717-1607, or go to our website, cca-advisors.com, or contact me directly via email at jta@cendsel.com.
This has been your Cendrowski Business Minute with John Alfonsi. Until tomorrow, we'll see you back here again. But remember, Cendrowski Corporate Advisors, they're a CPA firm with a different perspective.